Want to hide Instagram chats without deleting any messages? Here are 2 easy ways to hide chats on Instagram. First, open Instagram and tap the messages icon. Open the chat you want to hide. Tap the person's name or the info icon at the top. Tap the 3 dots, then select Restrict. The chat is now removed from your main inbox. Messages are not deleted and the person won't be notified. Go to your profile, tap the menu icon, scroll to How Others Can Interact with You, and tap Restricted. You can open the chat anytime or tap Unrestrict to restore it. Open a chat and swipe up from the bottom to turn on Vanish mode. Messages sent in Vanish mode automatically disappear once the chat is closed. Restrict hides chats permanently without deleting messages. Vanish mode deletes messages after they're seen. And that's how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Like and subscribe for more Instagram privacy tips.